Acting up Serenata. Gage Blabag open, raising Serenata, jump squeak out of gate, moving up, not the outside, El Injo. It's now El Injo, followed by Serenata. And moving up now to take third is Jagito, moving up Mokai, now from the outside, Cool Shallow and Sharp Eye. Going along for the first turn, El Injo leads Balang, followed by Serenata. Jagito from the outside, third, 2 lengths back, Mokai, Cool Shallow and Sharp Eye. Into the back they travel, El Injo leading Balang, followed by Jagito. And Alankan up Serenata, Mokai coming closer now in fourth. Down the half mile they travel, El Injo, Jagito finding it out for the leader. And 2 lengths back, Serenata, Mokai coming closer now in fourth. Sharp Eye also moving in while Cool Shallow now running in the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, El Injo, Jagito finding it out for the lead. Mokai, Sharp Eye moving up na the outside, and inside the last 400, Sharp Eye takes the lead now. Malanka Mokai now running in second, El Injo, Jagito, Serenata and Cool Shallow as they swing for home. It is still Sharp Eye leads by some 4 lengths now, followed by Mokai, and running in third, Serenata, El Injo, Jagito and Cool Shallow, but still Sharp Eye, and finally Sharp Eye, Mokai, Serenata, El Injo, Cool Shallow and Jagito comes in last.
3625. So it was Sharp Eye with Randy Lagrata ang ating